Tangent segment theorem. Tangent segments drawn from an external point to a circle are congruent. Observe the adjoining figure. Write given and to prove. Draw radius AP and radius AQ and complete the following proof of the theorem. Given A is center of the circle and D is the external point of the circle, line PD and QD are the tangent of the circle intersecting in point D. To prove, segment DP is congruent to the segment DQ. In this figure, we have given A is the center of this circle, D is external point of this circle, PD and QD are tangent to this circle. P and Q are touching point of this tangent and circle. We have to show segment PQ is congruent to the segment QD. If we join point A and P and point A and Q, then we get two triangle APD and triangle AQD. In these two triangle, AP and AQ are the radius of this circle. P is the end point and touching point of the radius AP, hence angle APD and angle AQD is 90 degree and AD is the congruent of this segment. AD is common in this two triangle, hence in this two triangle AD is congruent to the AD, AP is congruent to the AQ and angle APD and AQD both triangle are congruent by the test SSA test. If the two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding side PD and PQ are also congruent. Hence, thus we prove that segment PD is congruent to the segment QD. Proof: in triangle PAD and triangle QAD, segment PA congruent segment AQ, radio of the same circle, segment AD congruent segment AD because they are common. Angle APD congruent angle AQD is equal to 90 degree. Tangent theorem. Hence, triangle PAD congruent triangle QAD by test SSA test. Segment DP congruent to the segment DQ. The reason is corresponding side of congruent triangle. Practice set 3.1. Example number 1. In the adjoining figure, the radius of a circle with center C is 6 centimeter. Line AB is a tangent at A. Answer the following questions. First, what is the measure of angle CABY? Second, what is the distance of point C from line BY? Third, distance AB is equal to 6 centimeter. Find distance BC. Last, fourth, what is the measure of angle ABCY? In this given figure, AB is a tangent of the circle having the center C. A is a touching point of the tangent and circle. In this given figure, if we join center C and touching point A, that is segment AC, and center point and point B, that is BC, then we get here triangle ABC. AC is a radius, A is a touching point, hence tangent. Here is angle 90 degree. This is the right angle triangle. We have given AC is 6 and AB also given 6. That is, segment AC is congruent to the segment AB. If the two sides are equal, then their opposite angle also equal. Hence, addition of these three angles, 90 plus angle C angle B is equal to 180. That is, sum of C and B is equal to 90. Both angles are congruent. Hence, angle C and angle B is 45. Thus, by Pythagoras theorem, we can calculate the segment BC, that is 6 square 6 square, that is twice 36. If we take the under root, then we get 6 under root 2, that is BC. First sub question, what is the measure of angle CABY? CA is a radius and A is touching point. Segment CA perpendicular segment AB, reason tangent theorem. Hence, angle CAB is equal to 90 degree. Second sub question, what is the distance of point C from the line AB? Smallest distance between the point and line is perpendicular segment from point to the line. Segment CA is perpendicular line AB and A is on the line. If we take any other point other than A, that will be the hypotenuse, and hypotenuse is is always greater than other two side of the triangle. CA is a radius of circle. Hence, CA is equal to 6 centimeter. Third, distance AB is equal to 6 centimeter. Find the distance BC. In a right angle triangle CAB, by Pythagoras theorem, BC square is equal to AC square plus AB square. Hence BC square is equal to 6 square plus 6 square. That is BC is equal to 36 plus 36. BC is equal to twice of 36. Taking the square root of both sides, we get BC is equal to 6 under root 2. Fourth sub question, what is the measure of angle ABC? Why? In right angle triangle CAB, segment AC is equal to the segment AB, that is our given. Hence, angle ACB is equal to the angle ABC because opposite angle of equal side. In triangle CAB, angle ACB plus angle ABC plus angle CAB is equal to 180 by addition of angles. Sum of three angles are 180. Hence, angle ACB plus angle ABC plus 90 is equal to 180. Then we get angle ACB plus angle ABC is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree. Thus, angle ACB plus angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. But both angles are equal, hence instead of angle ACB we write here angle ABC plus angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. Twice angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. Hence, angle ABC is equal to 45 degree. Example number 3. Segment RM and segment RN are tangent segments of circle with center O. Prove that segment OR bisect angle MRN as well as angle MON. In this figure, in triangle OMR and triangle ONR, segment OM is congruent to the segment ON. OR segment OR is common to the both triangle, and segment MR is congruent to the segment NR. The reason is tangent segment theorem. Hence, both triangles are congruent by yes test. If these two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding angle also congruent. Hence, angle ORM and angle ORN both are congruent because the corresponding angle of the congruent triangle. Hence, angle MRN is a twice of angle ORM. Hence, segment OR is a bisector of this angle MRN. Thus, angle MOR, angle NOR also congruent because they are corresponding angle of the congruent triangle. Hence, angle MON is a twice of angle MOR. Hence, segment OR is a bisector of angle MON. In triangle OMR and triangle ONR, segment OM is congruent to the segment ON because radius of the same circle. Segment OR is congruent to the segment OR, region common side. Segment MR is congruent to the segment NR because tangent segment theorem. Hence, triangle OMR is congruent to the triangle ONR by SSS test. If two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding angle are congruent. Hence, angle MRO is equal to the angle NRO, congruent angle of congruent triangle. Segment QR is bisect the angle MRN. Thus, angle MOR is congruent to the angle ONR because congruent angle of congruent triangle. Hence, segment QR is bisects the angle MON. Example number 4. What is the distance between two parallel tangents of a circle having the radius 4.5 centimeter? Justify your answer. From given example, here is a one circle having the center is O. There is two parallel tangent, that is L2 and L3. Touching point of L2 tangent first, that is A point, and touching point of second tangent L3, that is B. In this figure, we construct one parallel line to L2, that is L1. From this figure, if L1 and L2 are parallel, then we have given L2 and L3 also parallel. By transitivity property, we can say that if L1 is parallel to the L2, and L2 is parallel to the L3, then L1 is parallel to L3. In this figure, L1 and L2 is parallel and OA is a radius. Hence, point A, there is a 90-degree angle, and point O near there also 90-degree angle. Thus, in second condition, L1 and L3 are also parallel. Line L1 and L3 also parallel. Hence, near point O, there is also 90-degree and B already is 90-degree. In this condition, angle AOE is equal to 90-degree and angle BOE is equal to also 90-degree. The addition of these two angle is 180. From this, we can say that ray OA and ray OB are opposite ray, and hence point A and B are collinear point. Hence, segment AB is equal to AO plus OB. Hence, segment AO is given 4.5 and OB also given 4.5 because the radius of that circle. Hence, AB is equal to 9. Thus, we find the distance between two parallel tangent is 9. Line L1 is parallel to the line L2, that is our construction. Line L2 is parallel to the line 3, that is our given. Hence, by property of transitivity, L1 is parallel to the L3. If L1 and L3 are parallel and OB is the radius, segment OB is the radius, hence angle AOE plus angle EOB is equal to 180 because angle between parallel line are in linear pair. Hence, ray OA and ray OB are opposite rays. Hence, point AOB are collinear points. Then AO plus OB is equal to AB. Hence, AB is equal to, substitute the value of OA and OB, that is 4.5 plus 4.5, that is 9. Thus, AB is equal to 9. Hence, distance between two parallel tangents twice of the radius, that's diameter.